Hi, this is Master Ken. Today we discuss what is parallel period. A parallel period returns a table that contains a column of dates that represents a period parallel to the dates in the specified dates column. In the current context, with the date shifted a number of intervals, either forward in times or back in times. And there is a syntax for this tree. Let's take a look at here. So the syntax has the date, a column that contains dates, numbers of intervals, an interval that's specific number of intervals to add to or subtract from the dates, an interval which to shift. Okay, the interval can be a year, a quarter, or month. So for example, you can calculate the previous year. So that would be the -1 and the interval is year. -1 year, back 1 year, or last year, or last quarter, or last month. So that would be just -1, shifted by 1 year differences. So this is how it looks like if you talk about 1 year, and it's right here. So this is it. We have the total quantity, the text measured, and we have the filtered as parallel period. Put the dates and -1 and year, and that's it. This is the previous year, and we put it together into this as a matrix. The value is total quantity and the previous years, and you can duplicate and make it into a column chart, a cluster column chart. And same goes to, you can also use the same thing for creating a previous month total quantity. So you can use the parallel period, date, -1, month. So the only difference is the month. And also I've created a slicer for this purposes. Okay, so that is how you use the parallel period. So what's the difference between that? These are very similar to another DAX function called date8. Here is what explained by Microsoft Doc. And for example, you have a period instead of a full month, you have a certain period only. So it's like here, instead of using this, you're using the between. So these are the period. So you don't want to have the full year. So maybe certain months that there will be a differences. So let's try it for example. Here you have the 10 June to 21 June. If you use parallel period by 1 month, they are actually shifting 1 month differences from the full month of June to another July. If you use date 8, and that is exactly the number of days shifted. Okay, so it will not cover the full month. So I hope this is helpful to help you understand what is parallel period. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.